Hey, it's Matt with Texas Edge Home Inspections. Today I'm looking at a house that's 20 plus years old. The roof, however, is not 20 plus years old, but it certainly isn't new, and it's showing signs that could be problematic soon, so come with me and take a look at it. So right when I got up here on the roof, one of the first things I noticed was some lifted shingles. You can actually see the nail that's pushing up on the shingles and causing the shingle to lift up, and that's an area where water can get up underneath the shingle and eventually get inside the house. One of the next things I noticed was exposed nails all over the place. We have all kinds of nails that maybe they were sealed over at one time. Now the sealant has worn off, and so we have some nails that are exposed. They're starting to rust, and eventually they will start to weather out and create a potential area for moisture intrusion as well. Now, another thing that I see, and I see this quite often, is shingles that have a nail pushed right through them. And so these high nails can the shingles start to settle over them, and eventually the nails will just push themselves right through the shingle, obviously creating a hole. And these are areas that now moisture can get inside the house. So we definitely want to get that addressed. I'm also seeing, and possibly more concerning, some damaged shingles in some areas. Now, some of this looks like it was caused by trees, and some of it looks like it could be caused by, well, just wear and tear. Overall, these shingles have seen a lot of life already. Most of their lifespan has been spent. You can start to see some of the shiny edges of the shingles where the granules have started to wear off. And so they're really just showing that they are old. They're brittle, and so overall, they're not gonna hold up very well, and they're sure to become problematic pretty soon. While I'm up here on the roof, I always take a look at everything I can. And one is the gutters. These gutters are full of debris, so they're not going to do their job. It's a really good idea to get that cleared out. Water can back up into those gutters and eventually start to make its way underneath the shingles and start to do some damage right there into the soffit, to the decking and things like that. And so clearing out these gutters is actually more important than you think. Now, my overall assessment of this roof is that it's not necessarily in need of replacement right now, but that's coming up not too long. So if you're going to buy a house like this, just know that this roof at the very least needs some maintenance to stay in front of any problems, and could eventually become problematic and might need replacement in the not so distant future. All right, you guys, thanks for watching this roof video. I'm going to get down and go finish inspecting this house. So give me a call, please. I want to inspect your next house. Now with Texas Home Inspections, I'm out. Bye now.